You know, Keith, this car really is beautiful. A little over 1,800 original miles, restored by McCluskey, who is known as one of the foremost authorities in Cobras. It is a beautiful, beautiful automobile.
Alan, what is it about 427 Cobras, kind of the ultimate muscle car?
They're really legendary. You know, massive Ford V8, a lot of power, lightning quick acceleration, just a sound that won't quit and a speed that won't quit. They really are legendary cars. These are the big block cars. This is the way this car was supposed to be presented, new by the factory. It's very original, 1,800 miles, no hood scoop, no side pipes. This thing is pure and correct.
$1,400,000 I'm bid. On my left, it's getting exciting now. $1,425,000, he says. $1,450,000. $1,475,000. $1,500,000. Back in with me. $1,550,000 I will take. It's going for the first time. At $1,550,000, it's going for the second time. Third and last time at $1,550,000. All done. Sold your car. Well done.
After losing a significant portion of its value, the 427 Cobra has rebounded nicely in the past year. Today, this Cobra would cost around $1.38 million.